Chamber Media recently did a study that analyzed all the ads being ran from the top 2,000 Shopify stores. These are the 7 ads. Product demo videos being the most popular at 50%, social proof ads, then dynamic ads, and the rest shown here. Out of these 7, which style of creative would you guess generates the most sales and conversions? So their findings proved that Spokesperson Anchor videos were actually the top performing ads. A Spokesperson Anchor ad is a 1 to 4 minute video that combines all 7 of these types of ads into one super ad guided by a spokesperson. There's generally a script, props, actors, sets, and a great narrative, and it tends to be higher and more expensive in production value, but that's because, it's harder to make, and they're successful because they're designed to qualify non-customers from clicking on your ad and encourage those who actually watch the entire video to become interested, click, and learn more, because views are cheaper than clicks.